Hi guys, I am Madalina, and as you know, I'm here to share with you my journey to a more plant-based life and to a more conscious living. I had planned another video for this Friday, but my box from Biosano, it's an online shop, just arrived this week. I waited for this a long time, about 3 weeks, because they didn't have some of the products that I ordered, and I had to wait for them to receive them. So I'm gonna do an unboxing today. And the video that I filmed for this Friday, I think that you'll see it the next Friday, so it's not gonna be lost. Oh, this is what I bought from Biosano. There are a lot of things. And this is Nora playing playing with everything else as usual. So yeah, this is what I bought. And this is how everything looks. So the packaging, it's nice, it's recycled. Some Agar cookie, sesame seeds, because I love my tahini. Brazil nuts. This is the reason that I waited 3 weeks for this package. They didn't have them, so I had to wait or reorder them another time, but I wasn't sure, so I had to wait 3 weeks for this. Quinoa, you know how this works, and I love this. In here, I think that I know what I have in here. It's agave syrup, and it's break-proof. Whoa. Oh. Coconut flour. Chickpea flour. I'm gonna try and make some omelette, chickpea omelette. Almonds. I have a good price for those. Chia seeds for puddings and stuff. Mixed pepper. Another mixed pepper that I have to grind. And I bought a kind of two. Coriander, cumin, the smoky paprika. You know that, I love it. And some soy. I cook sometimes with it. Yeah. This is all pepper pot. And I'm gonna show you the agave too. And this is the agave. And Nora playing with the box. Thank you very much for watching the video. And as you saw, for the Brazil nuts, I had to wait 3 weeks. That was a long time, but I really wanted them, so now I have them. If you like this video, please subscribe, share it if you want, and be sure that I'm gonna be posting every Friday. Bye now, see you next week.